Snoreless pillow ergonomically correct and comfortable. The Snoreless anti-snoring pillow supports and positions the head and neck to improve alignment. The Snoreless pillow is designed with a reinforced head and neck roll, causing the throat to open the airway passage. Whether sleeping on your side or back, the Snoreless pillow can help you to stop snoring tonight and feel less fatigued all day. The Snoreless anti-snoring pillow is designed to promote comfortable side sleeping. Studies prove that people who sleep on their side snore less. This unique patented design also provides comfortable snoring relief for those who sleep on their back. For more information, click on link below the video.